Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on your Subaru Forester. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface, with the engine off. It is always a good idea to check your owner's manual for the exact wiper blade lengths, as they can vary slightly between models. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process, taking only a few minutes per blade. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and slide its connector onto the arm's hook. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Repeat these straightforward steps for the other wiper blade on the passenger side. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their movement to ensure they make even contact across the entire windshield, clearing water effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Regular cleaning of your windshield and blades also helps extend their lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.